Hugo, you ready? Throw your money. Hello, Daddy. Hugo, what you got?
Oh look, sounds a digger.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. What ones can you see? Who have we got? Oh look, they got people with them. Look. How cool is that? You ready?
This is what I got.
Right, which one are you going to open first?
This one.
Who have you got in there? Who is it?
Biogas and Megalodon.
Pirate's Curse and Megalodon. Go on then, start opening. Oh, is it tricky? Have a look. Wow. So who's this one?
Megalodon.
Megalodon. And then this one?
Pirate's gas.
Pirate's Curse. He's scary, he is.
Yeah. And Megalodon, scary.
Yep. These aren't the Hot Wheel ones, are they? These are now the Spin Master ones. Right. What next now, Hugo?
It's this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Who's that one?
Some of the diggers.
Son of a digger. Go on then. Open it up. It's a bit tricky. Oh, well done. Let's have a look at him. Son of a digger. And what does he come with?
A people.
A little person. Let's have a look at him. Cool. Right. Next one. Who are these?
I'm going to open this one.
Yeah, and who are they in there?
High occasion and I don't know what's
That one's Bounty Hunter.
High occasion and bounty hunter.
Oh, and then open that one. Baby Eddie's getting involved. Say hiya. Oh, let's see. Higher education. No, you got the big one of this, haven't you? The same, but you have got the little one, and then this one's Bounty Hunter. Let's have a little look at Bounty Hunter. Very cool. Well done. Next one.
King Crunch.
King Cruncher. Is it King Cruncher or? Oh no, King Crunch. Well done. Go on then, you can open that one. Well done. Did that one come with a little man?
No.
Did it not? I think it did.
Yeah. I can open Scarlet Bandit now.
Cool. Let's see Scarlet Bandit.
Mine, they come with that.
I think that's like a little leaflet. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Right, so Hugo, do you want to name them all? Scarlet Bandit.
Scarlet Bandit, King Crunch,
Bounty Hunter.
Bounty Hunter, High Cation, Silver Digger, Megalodon, Pirates, Gas.
Oh.